In this video, we are going to see how we can use the YouTube editor blur effect option to blur the faces or objects in your video. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and a very useful function as well. What you do is just select the video that you want to edit or add blur to, click on it, and basically on the left hand side, you get the editor option. From here, we click on get started if you're using it for the first time, and we get different tools like trim and cut. You can cut different parts of the video. You can add blur, add audio, info cards, quizzes, and so on. But let's say that we want to use the blur effect. Click on blur, and we want to not face blur, we want to custom blur here because this is all about a screencast, right? So click on the custom blur and we build that shape. Let's say we want to hide the date right here. And the blur behavior is we want to track this object. We don't want to fix the blur position. We want to track this date to whatever or wherever it goes. We click on save and you can extend this blur to the overall video. And basically to apply it successfully, you have to record a video and then try to move your project or object around the screen and see if the motion tracking worked for you. After that, you hit save changes. I acknowledge that these changes are permanent. So this is very useful, especially if you want to hide an email address and so on in your video, because in the editing, it might take a lot of time for you. So click on this and click on confirm changes. But just remember that once you confirm the change, it cannot be undone. So if you confirm the changes, the video will be saved permanently, and that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.